Do you want to know how you could be making your first $1,000 online? Stay tuned as this one's serious. Hi guys, what's up? Feel free to leave a comment below, be great to hear from you. I'm Mark Gossage of bestbonusking.com. Cam Jennings, aka Zero Fats, has just launched his brand new product, Affiliate Rising Reloaded, and it's just blew me away. This product really over-delivers. It makes it so easy for anyone that wants to succeed online. It's an extremely powerful 3-module, 14 video system that maps out a direct system that's going to get you straight to your very first $1,000 online and beyond. It's so simple to scale this one up. The course is mapped out in such detail that anyone and everyone can easily grasp the concepts and copy Kams' business model. You'll be able to start immediately and be making money in the fastest possible time. And you'll also be able to access Kams' private Mastermind group with over 800 members to network with. This really is a course of quality. It'll not only educate you, giving you the knowledge that you need to succeed, it's also entertaining at the same time. Everything has been taken care of. All that you need to do is follow along and copy this step-by-step plan of action. If you're serious about making money online, you really don't want to miss out on this. You're going to be privy to a lot of insider secrets and tips which will speed up the whole business of getting your business started the right way so that you can be profiting fast. Nothing is left to chance, as Cam's action plan will show you exactly how to build your very own affiliate empire from the ground up. Cam really is turning the industry standards on their heads with this one. So if you want to set up an online money-making affiliate business the right way, make sure that you check out this amazing offer right now. Simply click on the link below this video and lock in your big bonus package that I've put together especially for you. Thanks for watching. Mark Gossage, hoping to see you somewhere around the digital planet. Make sure to look out for more of my review videos.